Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best dash cams in 2022. I've made this list based on price, performance, recording quality, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so whether you're looking for the highest quality product at an affordable price or the best all-around dash cam currently on the market, we'll have the perfect product for you. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Now let's get into the video. If you're looking for a solid, inexpensive dash cam that still offers a clear enough picture to get the job done, the Rove R2-4K Dash Cam is a great and affordable alternative for you to consider. The Rove R2-4K Dash Cam is a well-designed option that comes with a dependable wireless connection to quickly share footage, some useful built-in security features, and sharp 4K recording quality to clearly see what's happening around you. It comes with a relatively large design, so it might not be the best choice for anyone looking for a discrete camera, but it comes with a robust build that will hold up over long-term usage. It has a built-in Wi-Fi radio to connect with the useful Rove companion app, which allows you to view or share footage directly on your smartphone, along with a built-in GPS system that accurately records your location, speed, and offers support for Google Maps. Unfortunately, the 2.4-inch display is smaller than some competitors like the Verratek DC1000, but it still offers a clear picture and solid viewing angles. It records detailed 4K footage in well-lit conditions, so you shouldn't have any problems reading license plates, and it offers solid recording quality in low-light settings and wide 150-degree viewing angles to increase your field of vision as well. It also comes with a range of useful features, such as onboard vibration technology that automatically records to provide an additional layer of safety, motion detection, a parking mode, loop cycle recording, time-lapse or slow-mo recordings, and more, which is impressive at this price point. You can also store up to 512 gigabytes of footage on an SD card to keep your recordings accessible. While it doesn't offer as many advanced features as the more expensive Garmin Dash Cam 67W, the Rove R2-4K Dash Cam is a solid all-around option that's available for a much cheaper price. If you don't need all the bells and whistles and would prefer an inexpensive option that can reliably get the job done and keep you aware of your surroundings, this might be the ideal choice for your vehicle. For anyone who wants a quality dash cam that comes with a compact design and doesn't sacrifice recording quality or performance, the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 is my choice as the best mini dash cam in 2022. Garmin has several high-quality offerings to choose from, and their Dash Cam Mini 2 model is a discrete camera that comes with an intuitive installation process, outstanding HDR support to further improve the picture quality, and built-in support for voice control. Unlike the Rove R2-4K, it comes with a compact, lightweight, and minimalistic design that can easily blend into the back of your car, and it comes with a sticky pad that's easy to install to keep the camera stable while in use. It also comes with voice command capabilities to control the camera, which is a relatively rare feature at this price point. Unfortunately, it doesn't have an external display or built-in GPS functionality, but the companion app allows you to view important information or footage on your phone, link multiple cameras, adjust settings, and upload footage to the online cloud-based Garmin Vault for 24-hour storage. It doesn't offer 4K recording quality like the Nextbase 622GW, but it records in 1080p at 30 frames per second, which still consistently produces a clear, detailed, and colorful image that should satisfy most users, and it provides wide 140-degree viewing angles despite the compact size. You also get decent nighttime performance, although footage can be relatively prone to some distortion at times. Even more, it comes with a built-in crash detection feature that automatically saves video following a collision, a parking guard function for when you're not around, live view capabilities to stream from anywhere, and integrated Wi-Fi connectivity. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 doesn't offer class-leading recording quality, but it provides a solid image and comes with several useful features despite its unobtrusive design. This is ideal if you want a reliable dash cam that will go unnoticed but still provides all the essential features at a decent price. Next up, if you're someone who wants the best dash cam performance at an affordable price point, the Verratek DC1000 is my choice as the best dash cam for the money in 2022. The Verratek DC1000 is a solid all-around option that comes with the ability to record detailed 1440p footage with good frame rates, a surprisingly robust build considering the price, and respectable performance in low-light environments. It has a sturdy, compact design that won't take up much space on your dashboard, and it's made from metal for added durability and temperature resistance. It also offers plug-and-play functionality, so you won't need to worry about a complicated setup or installation process, along with an intuitive 3.16-inch touchscreen display to easily navigate the interface and read important information. Even more, it has built-in Wi-Fi connectivity to connect with the Rode Cam companion app, which allows you to view and manage recordings, download footage to your other devices, and more. This dash cam is also very easy to use and set up in my opinion, which is one of the highlights to me. It can record videos with the same 1440p resolution as the high-end Garmin Dash Cam 67W we'll talk about in a bit, and it captures footage at 25 frames per second to ensure smooth video playback. The 140-degree viewing angles aren't the widest, but they should still offer a solid and comprehensive picture to capture important events. It has an f2.2 aperture lens for improved performance in low-light settings, so you get an impressively clear, detailed picture when recording at night. It also comes with some standard features, such as a built-in G sensor to detect collisions, seamless loop recording, and an emergency lock function to keep important footage. The DC1000 also comes complete with a 1080p rear camera, so you're covered on both ends, which is a very nice bonus at this price point, although the rear camera wire can be a bit annoying for some people. The Verratek DC1000 isn't the most advanced dash cam on the market, but it comes with a very easy-to-use interface, a compact design, and solid recording quality that's on par with some more expensive models. This is ideal if you want a reasonably priced dash cam that doesn't sacrifice performance and can consistently capture detailed, clear footage regardless of the time of day. In my opinion, it's a perfect dash cam for an average person looking for a quality dash cam that can be used in almost every situation. Next up, we have a dash camera that offers crystal clear footage and outstanding viewing angles to provide a more comprehensive picture of what's happening around you. The Garmin Dash Cam 67W is my choice as the best extra-wide option in 2022. Garmin's high-end Dash Cam 67W model is a compact offering that provides extra-wide viewing angles to capture more of your surroundings, several additional security features to keep your vehicle protected, and it can shoot high-quality HDR footage. It has a minimalistic, compact design that can easily fit into a pocket, so it won't draw too much attention when installed, and it comes with an adjustable windscreen mount that's easy to set up. The camera is also well made and can withstand most weather conditions. Like the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2, it supports voice commands in several languages and comes with intuitive controls to suit users of all experience levels. It's also compatible with Garmin's companion app and automatically sends footage to the Garmin Vault for 24-hour storage, though you'll need to purchase a subscription to store footage for longer periods. It records in a sharper 1440p resolution than the Mini 2, which consistently produces high-quality, clear footage, and it offers much wider 180-degree viewing angles than most competitors at this price point, though footage occasionally has fisheye distortion around the edges. You also get HDR support to further enhance the picture quality, so you should have no issues reading license plate numbers or identifying individuals. I also like that it offers several alerts to keep you safe while driving, which includes collision detection and lane departure or speed camera warnings, along with audio recording capabilities and a live view function. It doesn't offer 4K footage like the premium Nextbase 622GW, but the 1440p footage still provides a detailed picture, and most users likely won't notice the drop-off in recording quality too much. If you don't mind spending more and would like a dash cam that comes with several useful features, crystal clear recordings, and wide viewing angles, this might be the ideal choice for you. If you're looking for the dash cam with the best mixture of recording quality, build quality, wireless connectivity, and more, the Nextbase 622GW is my choice as the best overall dash cam in 2022. The Nextbase 622GW is a premium model that costs more than the other options on this list, but it offers built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity for your devices, an image stabilization function, and a range of useful recording modes to capture important details. It has an unobtrusive design that's relatively easy to install, and it comes with a 3-inch touchscreen display that allows you to control the camera, though the rear camera requires hard wiring. The My Nextbase Connect companion app is another useful addition that allows you to link Amazon Alexa voice commands, adjust settings, and more, and it offers Bluetooth and Wi-Fi support to quickly transfer footage. Even more, you get the What 3 Words navigation system that can accurately locate your position after a collision, and it offers a free emergency SOS trial that can automatically upload important medical information, but it requires a paid subscription after this period. The 4K recordings offer a more detailed and higher quality picture than the Garmin Dash Cam 67W, and while the 140-degree viewing angles aren't as wide, they still capture a solid amount of your surroundings. Unlike the previously mentioned options, it has built-in image stabilization that significantly reduces vibrations and consistently produces a steady, blur-free image, along with a defog function to remain clear in inclement weather conditions and an optional rotating polarizer to reduce glare. You also get an integrated G sensor that automatically records when it detects a bumper crash, a parking mode, and a super slow-mo mode to help identify what happened during a collision. Although the 622GW does cost quite a bit more than something like the Verratek DC1000, I believe the Nextbase 622GW is the best overall dash cam because of its effective image stabilization, several additional useful features, and superior recordings to the previously mentioned options. Its price might be a turnoff for some who might be better off going with something a bit cheaper that will handle their needs fine, but I would recommend this if you can afford the price and want class-leading security features, crystal clear footage, and an easy-to-use camera that doesn't sacrifice performance. Links to updated pricing on all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.